Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up with Binance. First, navigate to the official Binance website or download their mobile application. You'll then choose to register using either your email address or a mobile number. It's crucial to create a robust password, incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols for maximum security. If you have a referral ID, enter it now to potentially benefit from trading fee discounts. Next, you'll need to complete the identity verification, also known as KYC, to unlock all of Binance's trading features. This involves providing personal details like your full name, date of birth, and current residential address. You'll then upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, such as your passport or driver's license. Finally, perform a quick facial verification scan using your device's camera to confirm your identity. After verification, it's vital to enhance your account's security. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which adds an extra layer of protection. You can choose between Google Authenticator or SMS authentication. Additionally, set up an anti-phishing code. This unique code will appear in all legitimate Binance emails, helping you identify fraudulent attempts. For even greater security, consider enabling a withdrawal whitelist for your funds. With your account secured, you're ready to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency directly from another wallet by using its specific network address. Alternatively, purchase crypto using a debit or credit card, a quick and convenient option. Bank transfer options like SEPA or faster payments are also available in many regions. For more flexibility, explore peer-to-peer or P2P trading to acquire digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.